Good day everyone. So for today, tuturo ko sa inyo kung papaano nga ba mag-update ng mobile number sa inyong online BPI account. Kung nandito na kayo sa inyong online BPI account, kindly click the gear icon here and then kindly choose the update mobile number. And then, in order for you to update your mobile number, kailangan nyo lang ilagay yung debit card number nyo dito and yung mobile number nyo, yung new mobile number nyo. And then, according here, your new mobile number will receive now the one-time pins for confidential transactions. Please activate this update in any BPI ATM. Now, after that, once nakapag-update na kayo ng mobile number, yun na yung gagamitin nyo for any further transactions. So, that will be all. Yun lang naman ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo.